Very good morning to all of you. In the last lecture, we discussed about the relation between the degree and the radian. In the 1 marks MCQ one-liner question asked to you, you can convert your degree into the radian or you can convert your radian to degree. So they are the relation between them. Let me continue this topic with a very beautiful phenomena. Look here. This is the relation of them. There are some example which are your degree is converted into the radian and radian is converted into the degree. In the denominator, you do not write every time in one. You can ignore the one because every time one in the denominator of any terms. Then there are some more example. 30 degree, that's mean the pi by 6 radian. How could we convert the degree into radian? Just multiply by pi upon 180. If you have a radian, you just multiply your radian with the 180 upon pi. You could convert the degree into radian and radian into degree. There are some example on it. So look here, some more example on your screen. This table is a very important. All student, I think remember the relation between the degree and radian. You can convert the following degree into the radian. My first question, all of you, what is a radian form of the following thetas? અહીંયા ઉપર તમને અલગ અલગ થીટાસ ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે 0, 30, 45, 68, 90. Could you convert into the radian form? And all the students know about the degree and radians relation. So you kindly convert into the radian form. ચલો બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ મને ડિગ્રી અને રેડિયન ડિગ્રીને રેડિયનમાં કન્વર્ટ કરીને બતાવશે. તો અહીંયા સામે ડિગ્રી આપેલી છે એ બધાને રેડિયન્સની અંદર કન્વર્ટ કરો. So what is a 0 degree? What is the radian form to 0 degree? Do you know? Okay. I'm asking to all of you, you can convert your following degree into the radian. 0 degree. I show you the relation between them. Degree means you can multiply the any number, any degree by pi upon 18. So I want these following thetas in the radian form. So the red Lulu, it's a 0 degree, that's means the 0 radian. If you multiply any number by the 0, ખાસ અહીંયા ધ્યાન રાખો, the relation, you can convert the degree into the radian. You can multiply the any number of pi upon 180. Any number is multiplied with a 0, it's a 0. So 0 degree, it's a 0 radian. So this is a 0. Now the second, you can convert your 30 degree into the radian. That's when you can multiply 30 and divide by 180. It's a 0 to 0 cut, it's a pi by 6. So a 30 degree, it's written in the form of pi by 6. Tell me the remaining. What for the remaining thing? ચલો બાકીનાનો આન્સર શું આવશે? The 45, 60 and 90 whose radian form is what? Did you get it? Tomorrow, miss, yesterday we discussed all things. Student, please remember this because it is a very important unit. ખાલી કરવાનું કેટલું છે, જે પણ તમારી પાસે ડિગ્રી આપેલી છે ને પાઈ અપોન 180 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો, જે આવે એ તમારો આન્સર હશે. સો without wasting our time, I write all the degrees in the radian form. This is the pi by 4. It's a 0. This is the pi by 6. This is the pi by 4. This is the pi by 3 and it's a pi by 2. Hope you get it. Okay. And so student, you must remember this table, the value of for the degree and radian. Someone asked you, you can evaluate the sine pi by 6. So sine pi by 6, that is sine 30. It's 1 by 2. If someone asked you to find the sec for pi by 4, the sec 45, this is the under root 2. So remember this table, it's a really important table. And this type of example we discuss in the tutorial. So let me moving on the next theoretical part, and it's a really important. ખાસ આના બધા ક્વેશ્ચન હવેથી તમારું ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રિક નું યુનિટ મેક્સ જે સારો પાર્ટ કહેવાય એ સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. સો અહીંયા કોઈ પણ કન્ફ્યુઝન હોય તો મને કહી દેજો. So look here, it's a really important topic we discussed here. This is the unit circle. First of all, trigonometrics is defined on the unit circle. Unit circle means a circle whose radius is 1. Such type of circle is known as a unit circle. એક એવું સર્કલ કે જેની રેડિયસની લંબાઈ 1 સેન્ટીમીટર મીન્સ 1 યુનિટ હોય, તો એ ટાઈપનું જે આપણે સર્કલ ક્રિએટ થશે એને આપણે કહીશું યુનિટ સર્કલ. So here suppose this is your circle whose radius it's a 1. Here the 0.5, again it's a 0.5. The length of your radius center to constant distance is known as a radius. So here the everywhere your radius is 1. So this is the unit circle. The unit circle is very important to find the complementary angles. So first of all, look here. This is your circle. And I'm standing here. Every quadrant, this is your quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your first quadrant. It's your second quadrant and third and fourth. આ ચાર ભાગની અંદર સર્કલને આપણે ડિવાઇડ કરી દઈએ છે. Okay, there are the 4 parts of your given circle. This is the first quadrant. Quadrant means ચરણ. પહેલો ભાગ, બીજો ભાગ, ત્રીજો ભાગ, ચોથો ભાગ is the first, second, third and fourth quadrant. If I'm starting from here, it's my initial point and it is always 0. આપણે ક્યાંય મૂવિંગ ન કરતા હોય તો આપણું જે આપણી સ્પીડ છે ને હંમેશા 0 હોવાની. if કંઈ પણ ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર ના કરે તો ડિસ્ટન્સ 0. So I'm starting from anywhere, my initial point is 0. Now I'm going on this surface and reach here. This length is exactly 90 degrees. Is every quadrant whose length is 90 degrees. અહીંયા આપણે ચારે ચાર ખૂણા છે ને એ ચારે ચાર ખૂણાનો બધા 90 ના છે. It's make a right angle triangle, right angle everywhere. They are the perpendicular line. So first of all, I'm on 0 degree. I'm moving from here 90. Again, I'm moving from and reach here. So how many distance I covered? Again at the 90 degree, it's a 180. Then again I'm moving on the 90 again, and this is the 270 degree. You know about the table of 99. And again I'm moving on this surface and reach here. This is the total distance I cover, 360. So one revolution gives to you 360-degree distance. Total covered distance, one revolution gives to you this type of degrees. આપણે એક ચક્કર લગાવીએ ને તો 360 ડિગ્રી જેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ આપણે કવર કરીએ છીએ. તો આ વસ્તુ ખાસ યાદ રાખવાની છે તમારે. પેલું 0, 90, 180 આ બધા નામ. Then આ બધા ચરણ 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second, this is the all STC. All means all trigonometric functions, sine, cos, sec, cosec, sec, cot, all. S for the sine and cosec, T for the tan and cot, C for the cosec and sec. હવે તમને એમ થતું હશે કે મેડમ આ કરાવે છે શું, પણ જ્યારે કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી એંગલ્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના હશે ત્યારે તમને આ યુનિટ સર્કલ યુઝફુલ થશે. So this is the your unit circle. The three things you just remember. The first, they are the fourth quadrant. Second, the rules all STC. I will give you S for the sine and cosec. T for tan and cot. And C for cos and sec. They are the positive in the following quadrant. Remaining are negative. If someone asks you your angle on the first quadrant, that means all trigonometric function gives to you positive result. If someone say your angle in the second quadrant, that means sine and cos, the only two trigonometric functions are positive, remaining are negative. If I ask you someone MCQ that question, cos theta. Theta is any angle. In third quadrant, positive or negative? This is the question. Kindly say the cos theta in the third quadrant, positive or negative? In the third quadrant, only T. T means tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. The fourth degree question, your answer is cos theta is negative in third quadrant. So hope you understood. Let me give you the one more figure. This is just a roughly figure. I give you the beautiful figure to understand more things. Yes, this is the really beautiful and interesting figures. Look here. I was drawing such type of circle, 0, 90, 180, 270 and 36. That's mean the one revolution is completed. Second, the degree is converted into the radian. 0 degrees 0, 90 degrees pi by 2, 80 degrees pi, 270 degrees 3 pi by 2 and so on. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. In second quadrant, cosec and sine positive. Third quadrant, tan and cot positive. And fourth quadrant, sec and cosec positive. Remember this thing? આટલું યાદ રહી જશે બધાને? આટલું યાદ રાખવાનું છે પહેલા. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after the unit circle, you remember this unit circle. We just going on the only one revolution. But you can tell me what is happen when I'm going from 0 to 18 and 18 to 0. Look here. This is your circle. If I am going 90 to 80, then you can add something in 90. Yeah, subtract something in 90. હું 90 થી 80 એ પહોંચ 180 એ પહોંચું છું તો તમારે 90 માં કશું કંઈક એડ કરવું પડે કે કંઈ બાદ કરવું પડે. If I want to moving on the second quadrant and I'm going on 90 to 180, you can add something in 90 or you can subtract something in 90. Yes, something means I don't know what, but something, suppose we can add something theta. If I'm moving on this form, this part, so I can add 90 plus theta, and this theta I don't know. આપણે 90 થી 180 છે ને આપણે 90 ની અંદર કંઈક એડ કરવું પડે. Now if I'm moving from 180 to 90, દિવસ, then 180 હતી, હવે હું 90 એ મારે જવું છે તો મારે 180 માંથી કંઈક સબટ્રેક્ટ કરવું પડશે ને. ઓકે, એ કંઈક શું છે એ આપને ખબર નથી. So this quadrant gives to you 180 minus theta. If I'm moving from 180 to 90, definitely I can remove something from the 180. And this something is theta. Same thing happened in the third quadrant. If I'm moving from 180 to 270, then what happened? I just add something in 180. First of all, I'm starting from the 19 point to 180. હવે આપણે 180 થી 270 તરફ જઈએ છે તો આપણે 180 ની અંદર કંઈક નાખવું પડે તો તમે 270 એ પહોંચો. અને જે આપણે એડ કરીએ છીએ ઇટ્સ થીટા. Now I'm moving from the reverse procedure. If I'm going from this way, 182, 270 to 180. So definitely I can remove something from it. And this is maybe, it may be theta. Now the student tell me, in the second quadrant you have a two value of theta. First is 90 plus theta, second is a 180 minus theta. In the third quadrant you have a two angles value, it's a 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Could you tell me, could you say something about the fourth quadrant? What is happen when I'm going from the 270 to 360 and 360 to 270? હવે તમારે મને ચોથા ક્વાડ્રન્ટ માટે કહેવાનું છે કે 270 થી 360 જાય તો થીટા એડ થશે કે થીટા સબટ્રેક્ટ થશે. 360 થી 270 આવીએ તો થીટા એડ થશે કે થીટા સબટ્રેક્ટ થશે. So which two angle lies on the fourth quadrant? Now the student, if I'm moving from 270 to 360 degree, So definitely, so something will be 8 in the 270 degree and that is theta. કંઈક આ 277 કંઈક નાખો તો 360 પહોંચો ને. Similarly, if I am moving from 3602 270, definitely you can subtract something in it, and that this is theta. Right? Now tell me about what? In the first quadrant, we can use only the one thing. Look here, look here, look here, look here, student. 1 minute, 1 minute. Very good, very good. Now for the first quadrant, my question same. I was on the 0 point. Okay. 0, that's mean the one revolution complete, it gives to 360, same thing. 0 yeah 360, both are equal. I'm at a 0 point. Okay. I'm moving from 90 and I want to move here 90 to 0. What I can do? If I want moving 90 to 0, then what happens? The theta will be 8 or subtract. I'm from 90 to 0. Then what happens? Theta will be 8 or subtract. Right, it's a 8. Okay. How could 8, Lilu? My question is, if I'm on the 19 point and I want to going on 0 point, can I add the theta or can I add this? Can I subtract the theta? હું 90 point ઉપર છું, મારે 0 degree એ જવું છે. તો હું શું કરીશ? થીટાને એડ કરીશ કે થીટાને સબટ્રેક્ટ કરીશ?
Subtract.
Absolutely right. I'm on the 90 degree. Okay, I'm on this 90 degree and I want to 0 degree. Definitely I can subtract from it. And this is theta. I want to reach on 0 degree. Understood or not? In the first quadrant, maximum we can use this type of thing. And second reverse procedure, this is your 360. Again, if you can add 90 degree, then this angle become 450 degree. And if I want to moving on 360 to 450 degree, definitely I can add something in theta. So in this quadrant, you have a two value 360 plus theta. We not use the 0 degree because 0 degree doesn't give you anything. So these are the unit circle. So one type MCQ will always arrive to you. Okay. Every quadrant have a two values. You can use any one. If your angle, આપણે જો ચારે ચાર ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાં છે ને બધી છે કે આપણે બબે બબે વેલ્યુ આવી છે. ફર્સ્ટ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ની અંદર in the first quadrant you have a two angles value 90 minus theta. એક પોઝિટિવ હશે એક નેગેટિવ હશે. એક વખત તમારે એડ કરવાનો હશે એક વખત સબટ્રેક્ટ કરવાનો હશે. 90 minus theta 360 plus theta because we don't use 0. Second quadrant 90 થી 180 જાઓ તો 90 માં એડ કરવું પડે. 180 થી 90 માં જાઓ તો 180 માંથી સબટ્રેક્ટ કરવું પડે. So in the second quadrant you have a two value 90 plus theta 180 minus theta and this thing will be so on. So remember this thing firstly and the last note. This is the last note. Suppose this is your circle and this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. If your angle in this such axis, x-axis means this x positive or x negative, y positive or y negative. X-axis angles is 0, 360 and 180. If someone asks you the angle on the x-axis is 0, 36 and 180. And angle on the y-axis is 90, 270 and more on. More on, that's when we again moving on this circle and take the second revolution. So if your angle on the x-axis, remember the one thing, okay? This is your x and this is your y. If your angle is on x-axis, you must remember this thing. Angle on the x-axis, what happens? Angle on the x-axis, that's mean this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. X-axis means this is your 0 degree. Then we're moving on the 90 degree. Then 180. Then 270. And 360. If I take one more revolution, so again 360, it's a 450, a 540, 630, and 720, and so on. You can go another, you take another more than 3 round revolution on circle, but I just need it. My note is, remember that in tutorial I will asking you. The first note, your angle on the x-axis, that means this is called x-axis, this whole line. This full line say x-axis. So 0, 36, 7, 2, yeah, 180, yeah, 450, all the angles are on x-axis. So the note is, if your angle is on x-axis, the trigonometric functions are not changed. The T ratio are not changed. That's mean your sine because remaining sine, cos remaining cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, sec is sec, and cosec is cosec. There's no change in trigonometric function. But if your angle on y-axis, T ratio will be changed. And it will be converted like a sine theta. It's converted into the cos. Cos converted into the sine. Then tan converted into the cot. and cot convert into the 10 and so on. Sec and cosec and cosec in sec. So student, please remember this thing, this unit circle is very important. I discussed in the theoretical part, so all the branch knows very well. What you can remember this thing, you just remember the first of all quadrants, first, second, third, fourth, and when your theta is a line. Second, in this quadrant, your which trigonometric functions are positive, which are negative, and your theta lies on which axis. So these are the only 3 steps to remember the question. So let me give you the rule. The first is you can decide the quadrant. You find quadrant. Second step, after deciding your quadrant, you can check which trigonometric functions are positive and negative. Third step, after giving the sign, you can follow the third step, and third step is check your angle on x-axis or y-axis. And the last step, follow the note. Note say if your angle on x-axis, there is no change. If your angle on the y-axis, you can convert the sine to cos and cos to sine. So this example is a really very small, but it's a take many things with it. So look here, first of all, what you remember it? This is your circle. First, you can decide where your angle. Decide the quadrant. Then second is in this quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive, which are negative. If your given question, your given function is negative, so put the negative sign. If your given function is positive, put the positive sign. Then you can follow the second thing. Look, your angle is on x-axis or y-axis. After deciding the x-y axis, apply the note and you got the answer. Now how? Look here. चलो अब question कई रीति हसे ए જોઈ લઈએ. So the student remember only the first step. Okay, remember it. So let me discuss their examples. My first question to all of you. Evaluate. Sine 225 degrees. In student who understand, you have only the value of sine is a 0, 90, 45, 30 and 60 only. Okay, nothing else. but I want the value of 225. So what can I do? Look here. This is the best thing now happen here. First of all, you can draw this line. એક જ વખત સમજાવીશ અને પછી વિડીયો બધા જોઈ લેજો. This is your x and this is your y. Give the name of degrees. It's a 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. First of all, you can decide that your angle is 225. Where it is? This is your first quadrant. This is your second quadrant, third and fourth. And fourth. And apply to this rule. This rule is very important. All as TC. Look here, 225 lies on which quadrant? First of all, you can tell me. ચલો 225 કયા બે ખૂણાની વચ્ચે આવે છે? So that maybe 225 lies on third quadrant. Because suppose we don't know exactly location, but we think this is your 225. Exactly we nothing to say, but 225 lies on the third quadrant. Clear, student? So your first step is over. Find your quadrant. So you can decide your angle lies on the third quadrant. Okay? Using any two things. I want to take the partition. If you're moving from 180 to 225, something is add. If you're going on 120 to 225, something is removing. But what is add and what is remove? It will, adding and removing this angle will help you. You just add only this phi angle and subtract this phi angle out of any phi. આપણે એટલી તો વસ્તુ ખબર પડી ગઈ કે 225 પહોંચવા માટે આપણે 180 માં કંઈક એડ કરવું પડશે અથવા 270 માંથી કંઈક બાદ કરવું પડશે. પણ શું એડ કરવું અને શું બાદ કરવું? તો એના માટે આપણે આ 5 એંગલનો જ યુઝ કરવાનો. 0, 30, 60, 45, 90 એમાંથી જ કોઈક એક હશે. બીજું કોઈ હોય જ નહીં. ઇવેલ્યુએટ કરવાનો એક્ઝામ્પલ આવે ને ત્યારે. કન્વર્ટ કરવાના એક્ઝામ્પલ કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી એંગલ્સ ની વાત નથી કરતી. આપણે ખાલી અત્યારે ઇવેલ્યુએટ જોઈએ છે. We know I want to reach at the 225. So something is we can add in the 180, yeah, something we can subtract from the 270. But what we can add and what we can subtract, this addition and subtraction depend on these only 5 angles. You can add from, take any angle from it and subtract anything from it. So look here, if I'm using the 180 degree, this angle. So definitely I want to add something, and it will be any 5 of them. Any 5 of them. So what we can add in 180 and it become 225. If I'm adding 45 in it, it will be converted into the 225. If you are not sure, you can add it. If you take the 270 degree to make a 225, definitely you can subtract something in it. And it what? You can just use any 5, only these 5 angles. And it is again 45. You can use any from and going from anywhere. So look, we can give the partition. So first we part it. Now we're starting solving. This is your sine theta. Apply the sine both sides. This is the sine 225. Here the partition of the sine is 180 plus 45 degree. Now this is your third quadrant. In the third quadrant, look here. Which trigonometric functions are positive and which are negative? In your trigonometric ratio, 10 is positive. 10 and quote are positive. Remaining are negative in the third quadrant. So here your sine. Sine is in third quadrant negative. So it will give you the negative result. First step we decide. We can find the quadrant. Then we check our t ratio are positive or negative in that quadrant. So let sine is a negative in the third quadrant. So I put the negative sign. Done. Second, check your angle on x-axis or y-axis. I take the partition using the x-axis angle because 180 lies on the x-axis. So your angle on x-axis and x-axis not say. If your angle is on x-axis, there is no change on trigonometric function. Sine will be sine. So sine is as it is, and the remaining new angle will be your new angles and sine 45. And you know the value of the sine 45? It's a 1 upon under root 2. So the answer of the sine 225 is a minus 1 upon under root 2. Hope you understood.
ભાઈ આ બધા યાદ રાખજો, બહુ important છે. It's really important. Yes, you can say the minus 45.
So let me discuss some more example. Okay. Look, today I'm stopped here. In the next tutorial, yeah, any lecture, I will ask to you unit circle. This 4 page. You can, if I'm asking anything about it, you can give me the answer. About this unit circle, this knot, and these rules, and one examples. Okay. So anywhere when we meet, I will ask you this unit circle definitely, and any student in randomly pauses. Okay, so today I'm stop here because there's no time to take a more example. So now the student be ready for the attendance. First of all, electrical student, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1, electrical. Number 2. Number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number present? 2. Karan.
2 number. Ma'am.
Okay, number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
एक minute. I'm taking the attendance of the electrical department. And Karan, are you from the civil department?
Yes, ma'am.
So, electrical student, unmute yourself. Only the electrical student. Number 1. Number 2.
Yes,
number
ma'am.
3. What's your name in electrical 2?
Vivek Dhodakia.
Repeat again.
विवेक धोड़किया मैम.
Okay, Vivek. Number 3 in electrical.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. 4.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 6 in electrical. 7.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now the electrical student, you can leave. Have a good day. Civil student, be ready. Number 1 in civil department. Number 2.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 9 number. 10, 11, 12.
Ma'am, આ 11 ને નેટવર્ક પ્રોબ્લેમ છે.
Okay, done. ચલો 12 reason એ શું કરે છે?
ઈ મેમ આ ક્લાસમાં જ છે.
પણ મોબાઈલ મૂકીને ક્યાંક વયો ગયો છે.
ના ના મેમ, એનો મેસેજ આવ્યો તો મને.
ઓકે,
એનું માઇક ઓન નથી થતું.
સારું, ચલો વાંધો નહીં. So now the civil student, you may free now. Chemical student, be ready for the attendance. Number 1 in chemical department.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3.
मैम 3 ने नेटवर्क इशू.
Okay. 4, 5, 6.
Present ma'am.
Okay. 7.
मैम फोन में पर नेटवर्क इश्यूज है.
Okay. ચલો, જે લોકોને નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ હોય ચેટ બોક્સમાં લખી નાખો. હા, અને પછી આરામથી જઈ શકો છો. પણ જ્યાં સુધી પ્રેઝન્ટ લેવાઈ જાય પછી. 7 નંબર. 8.
Present ma'am.
Okay. 9.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 10.
Present ma'am.
Okay. 11.
મેડમ એ નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે.
ઓકે, તો આજનો લેક્ચર કોઈ સાંભળ્યો જ નહીં હોય ને, બધા નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે તો. 12 નંબર. 12 નંબર વિલિયમ. 13, 14.
Present ma'am.
Number
2.
13 number present.
Okay, 12 done, 13 done. 14 number.
Present ma'am.
Okay, 15.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 16.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 17.
Present ma'am.
Okay, 18. 19. 20.
Present, madam.
Okay, 21.
Present, madam.
Okay, 22.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, if the any problem related to the network issue, you could put your attendance in the chat box. Have a good day.